In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and use a Wix Premium upgrade coupon for a yearly plan. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Using Chrome is helpful because it's widely supported and makes it easy to copy and paste information between tabs. Once Chrome is open, go to a trusted coupon website such as Honey or Slick Deals. These platforms are commonly used to collect and share promotional offers, and they can be a useful starting point when you're looking for discounts on online services. When the coupon portal has loaded, use the search bar on that site and type in Wix Premium Upgrade Coupon 2026. Make sure you enter the phrase clearly so the results are as relevant as possible. After searching, take a moment to review the offers that appear. Not every coupon listed will necessarily apply to the plan you want, so pay close attention to the details in the description. You're specifically looking for a valid coupon that applies to yearly premium plans. As you review the available options, look for wording that confirms the offer is active and intended for annual billing rather than monthly subscriptions or unrelated products. This step matters because applying the wrong coupon can waste time or cause confusion during checkout. If the coupon listing includes any terms or limitations, read those carefully before moving on. Once you've found a valid coupon for the yearly premium plan, copy the coupon code exactly as shown. It's a good idea to copy and paste rather than typing it manually, since even a small mistake can prevent the code from working. Next, go to your Wix site upgrade terminal. This is the part of the Wix platform where you choose or confirm your premium subscription. Once you're there, continue through the upgrade process until you reach the section where a discount code, promo code, or coupon code can be entered. Paste the code you copied from the coupon portal into the appropriate field. Before completing the upgrade, double check that the discount has been applied successfully. You should see the pricing update or a confirmation message indicating that the coupon was accepted. If it doesn't apply, make sure the plan you selected is a yearly premium option and that the code matches the offer requirements exactly. Following this process carefully can help you